Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare one pot bhindi recipe. So let's begin with the video. Here I have about half a kg of fresh bhindi. We need to wash them really well, drain out the water and allow the excess water to strain out. Once the excess water is drained out, we need to roughly chop the bhindi. Here I am heating a pressure cooker. You can also use a karahi or a pan for this. Adding mustard oil as needed. Once the oil is heated up, we'll add pinch of jeera and sauf. Adding 2 dried red chilies, and after that we'll add the chopped bhindi. We'll give this a good mix and allow it to cook in low flame. I forgot to add garlic, so I'm adding it now, but you can add it in the heated oil itself. Here I'm chopping some tomatoes. I have added 4 local tomatoes. We'll add the tomatoes along with bhindi. We need to keep the flame low throughout this entire cooking. Adding pinch of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, pinch of black pepper powder, pinch of homemade jeera powder and pinch of homemade dhania powder. We'll give everything a good mix, cover and allow it to cook in low flame. The best thing about this recipe is that you don't need to keep checking it again and again, just like bhindi fry. You can just cook it and forget about it, and after maybe 15 or 20 minutes you can check it once. It's been about 20 minutes now and our bhindis and tomatoes are nicely cooked. You can mash the tomatoes a bit if you prefer that way, or simply serve it like that. And here we have our one pot bhindi recipe all ready. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.